you can see here, Cape of Good Hope in this direction, and this is our direction where we are going right now. It's like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers from here up to the place where we're heading. Okay, stay tuned. We give the sea, travel with me. Hey, let's go.
Oh, hello. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment below.
Yeah. I appreciate that.
1 day and 3 days is cheaper.
Yeah.
You get all lots of things.
Alright guys. And what is your mother language over there?
Oh, Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes.
Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Yes, ¿cómo estás? Hola,
Gracias.
¿cómo estás? Karibu Tanzania.
What's up guys, what's up my people, this is William. Actually this is our hotel here, and this is our driver gonna take us somewhere. I'll ask him inside. Okay, make sure you click on the subscribe button, give a like this video, and let's travel together.
It's a lot of press kept on.
Sure bro, I was doing a vlog, so yeah, this is my brother, yeah, my Tanzanian brother. So we are heading. Where are we going today?
Cape Point.
Okay, what the special thing about Cape Point?
Cape Point, where is first of all is the end of Africa.
Okay.
And the second is where the VASCO da Gama was when he came in Africa.
Yes,
he
sir.
was put his camp that side there.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the last point of African continent, ne? Okay, let's explore together. Travel with me, we get to see. Ciao. Okay guys, so let's do hiking today. Robert, are you excited with hiking?
Yes. I am.
Actually, we are going to do hiking.
Yes.
With Robert. When was your last time to do hiking?
August in Uganda.
Which mountain?
Small mountain, I think like little bit so 100.
100 meters.
Yes, not so
Okay guys, the Ugandan and the one we did in Mbeya,
Yes.
which one is bit heavy?
Mbeya Mountain.
Mbeya mountain was a bit heavy. Okay guys, we have no idea of the place where we're going, like how many meters are we going to face, but it's fine. Let's keep going as long as we have a hiking vibes. That is enough. Okay, travel with me, we give DC. Give a like this video, and if every day watching my videos you haven't subscribed, make sure you do today. Oh, you hear Robert?
Yeah,
So guys,
that is everywhere.
yeah. I remember the time we visited the national park, we faced the same challenge.
Livingstone too. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Livingstone, yeah. It was 2021.
Yeah.
South Africa capital. But hold the camera a little bit to the side. Just show the view. Guys, fine. Give it to me. Mountains, guys. Wow. Okay. And another thing I forgot to tell you guys, since I arrived here in the capital, first of all, population of all country of this, of this South Africa, 60 million, 60 millions. But here in Cape Town is 4.6 million. Okay. It's almost the same with Durban. Yeah, almost same. Durban is 4.2, while here is 4.6 million. Okay, while Joburg is 6 million. It's almost the same with the city called Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. And Dar es Salaam, I think it's more. I don't know. Yeah. If
your phone is pub, you need to charge.
You can just charge here. Okay. Table view. I mean, mountain view. And another thing, guys, I myself, I thought maybe the ocean that I've been showing you, yeah, I thought it is the Indian Ocean, but my driver here told me not, but there is a side where Indian Ocean passed. The ocean that passing this downtown where is which kind of
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Robert, it's
Yes.
not Indian Ocean.
Yes, I know the Atlantic Ocean.
It's not Indian Atlantic Ocean. The ocean that passed in somewhere, I think. Oh no. Atlantic Ocean.
Sea Point Camps Bay. Yeah, Sea Point Camps Bay is Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Zanzibar, Indian Ocean.
Yeah, Indian Ocean.
Yes.
Zanzibar.
And now this place we're going to Cape Point is also Indian Ocean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is why Cape Town you find the two oceans meeting together. Indian Ocean
Yeah.
and the Atlantic Ocean.
Wow.
They are meeting the place that they call Cape of Good Hope.
Cape of Good Hope.
Yes.
Cape of the Good Hope.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that
Wow.
Cape Agua, or other name they call Cape Agaras. Cape Agaras.
Cape Agaras.
Yeah.
That's the
Cape
place where
Agaras. Two oceans
is meeting. Okay, you get the point today, guys. We learn new things, exploring. Okay, here we go. South Africa people, they just use even a national flag in their restaurants. The thing is not allowed, I think, in my country, because once they find you even with a flag in your bag, it's another problem. Wow. This side mountains, but this side is ocean. Okay, wow. Look these monkeys, guys. Robert, can you take a picture in your seat if you want? Wow. These monkeys, guys, do you see? Oh, it's babies. Hello. On the ocean in South Africa, I see this strange thing. Because I've been visiting different oceans, I never see such things. This side mountains, you see? This side very high mountain, while this side there is a big ocean. Actually, it's Atlantic Ocean.
This side is Indian Ocean.
Oh, this side is Indian Ocean.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay, guys, let's explore.
So Atlantic.
Kumbe yale yanazuia baridi. So exciting every day just. Kuna bango lingine litakuwa kubwa kule mbele. Na kupigia na picha kabisa. Cape of Good Hope. So guys, here is the main entrance. Oh yeah. You see, if that kind of unite, like we call it SADC, okay? So I'm a SADC person, and my friend is from Europe, overseas, and my brother here is a citizen here, okay?
So it's 3 different price.
Okay, yeah. So there is the 3 different price. The price which they charged Robert is different with what they charged me, and different with what they charged him.
Yeah.
My friend Robert, they charged me 360, and me as
They
a
charge half of Robert.
because I coming from Southern African countries. My country is one. So they charged me half of Robert, which is 180, and here
They charge me quarter of
Robert, yeah. So that is how it works. You see?
Yeah.
Okay. We are now inside the zone, but we are not arrived yet. Let's go. Guys, as you can see here, Cape of Good Hope in this direction, and this is a direction where we are going right now. It's like 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer from here up to the place where we're heading. Okay, stay tuned. We give the sea, travel with speed. Hey, let's go. Ostrich. Let's try to go closer, maybe we can see them. Oh, ostrich. And the funny thing is they've stopped us. We can't move. Wow. Ostrich. Okay. Actually, this is the end point of African continent. Cape Point. Try to Google, guys, you will see where we are. Wow, you see? And no one can push them. Wow. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Checking now.
Well, enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to WMDC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Hey. Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.